Excited to learn? Do Do you hear me clearly? Do you hear me clearly? Do you hear me clearly? Do you hear me? Do you hear me clearly? Am I clear? Am I sounds not uh what do you call this? Do you understand it clearly? Is my sound clear? Is my voice clear? Oh, what's going on? Are you excited? You excited? Why are you not excited? You are okay. How young are you? Yes. How old are you? You can do it. How old are you? Yes. How old are you? Your age. What is your age? Okay, so one moment. Okay, so let me help you with that. Okay, so let me share my screen so we can understand each other better. Okay, so one moment. Okay. Okay, one moment. Okay, do you see my screen clearly? Yes, very good. Okay, so okay, let me chat. Okay, how old are you? Yes, do you see? How, how old are you? Yes, your age. What what is your age? Yes, what is your age? Mm. Mm-hmm. Do you understand? What is your age? Are you 15 years old? 16 years old? 17 years old? Your age. Yes, yes. What is your age? Do you know what is your age? Oh, you do not know what is your age? I I'm 34. I yes, I am 34 years old. And how about you? Okay, so I will give you that. Okay? So now, what is your name again? What is your name again? Can you please say that? What is your name again? Is it? Okay, what is your name again? Okay, I can't understand you. Can you please say that in English? Can you please say that, your name in English? Or what is your name? Because I can't understand that earlier. What is your name again? What is your name? Okay. Okay, so one moment. Okay, so do you see my screen? Do you see my screen? Do you read this? Do you see the book? Do you see the book? Yes. Do you see the book? Yes. Yes. Do you see it? Do you see it? Okay. So can you please read this? Interchange. Interchange. Very good. That is interchange. Okay, good job. Alright, next. Okay, so this is the introduction to the book. Alright. Okay, so this is the first page. Okay, word power. Yes, word power. Word power. This is word. This is power. Yes, clothes. Clothes. When we say clothes, this is the clothes that we are wearing. Okay? Okay. So in this picture, what do you see in the picture? Can you please say something about the picture? Can you please say something, anything else that you have seen in the picture? What can you say about the picture? Can you describe? Can you describe what's on the picture? Can you try it? Can you try it? Can you try it? What is this? What is this? What is this? This is a man. Yes. As you can see, this man is wearing clothes for work. For work. Yes, he is wearing clothes for work. Yes, he is wearing a shirt. Do you see? And then, aside from shirt, he is wearing tie. Yes. Tie is the one that is using in our collar when we are going to work and you are wearing a suit. Okay? Then you may use a tie. That is the boy wearing or the man wearing. Another else that he is wearing, a belt. Okay, do you know what is belt? Do you know what is belt? Yes? You know what is belt? The one we are wearing when our clothes are loose. We are using a belt. Okay, to make it tight. Yes. Do you understand? Belt. Oh, what do you see? What color is the belt? The man wearing. What color is this? Do you know what's the color? Do you know what is the color? That is color black. This one, in his waist, is he is wearing a black belt. Okay, another one, he is wearing jacket. Jacket when we are feeling cold. Okay, so we wear a jacket. Another one, he is wearing a pants. What is this? This one is pants. Can you please say it? This is pants. Okay? Yes, we are wearing pants when we are going to work. Okay? Do you have work already? Do you have work already? Or no? No work? You have work? Like me, I'm working right now. I am teaching you. Okay, do you have work? Yes, do you have? Do you have work or no? Or are you a student? Are you a student? Go to school and then go home. Yes? Okay, so this is pants. Okay, again, what is this? He is wearing a what? What color is this he is wearing? He is wearing